Alrighty, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I did a little bit different scenario than normal, and that's because I have a shutdown tomorrow with Steven. So I went ahead and just basically prepared for that all day. So I went ahead and grabbed a bunch of wire, little tiny scraps, baby rolls of wire, basically just cut off 6-foot chunks. And that is because we are basically rewiring 2 whole entire panels, except for a few circuits, so you'll see that here in a second. But I basically just spooled off the wire 6 foot at a time, cut them, taped them together, and then stuck them inside of the wire cart right here just so I could have easy access to them. So I got reds, blacks, and blues all together. And then I went ahead and labeled them with their circuit numbers. So I got 3 for each piece of wire. So I got 1 on the hot, 1 on the neutral, and then at the other end put a piece of tape around it to signify that they are together, then put a label across that piece of tape. When I was done, I threw them on the ground, and basically each side of the panel is getting like 16 to 18 new circuits. So here is the panel. Basically we're pulling all the existing wires out of the panel up into this gutter, and then we're rewiring the entire panels, both of these 2 panels, with number 10 wires. There is a few circuits that I said were staying. You'll see that here in a second. But these other 3 wire, these 3 pipes of wire right here are getting added to each of these panels as well. So on the left side panel, there is circuit 21, 22, 23, and 24, which are staying. Those are the only 4 circuits that are staying in this panel. Everything else, all the other 38 circuits are getting torn out up into the gutter. And then on the right side panel, 2, 4, 6 are staying, and then I think that's it for that one. So this one has 39 circuits that are going to be new, but that's pretty much what I did today, and we'll see how that goes tomorrow. Give you guys an update. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. God bless. Peace. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. So I did forget to mention, once we rewire both of those panels with 42 circuits each, except for the few circuits that are staying, so it's about 39 wires per panel. Then once we pull all those old circuits out, we have to make like over 200 splices, and we have 2 hours to get 2 panels rewired and over 200 splices. So give me a comment down below if you think if we're gonna make it or not in the 2-hour time frame. I don't think we're gonna make it. Steven thinks we're gonna make it. Let me know a yes or no down below if you think we're gonna make it or not. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen. All right guys, see you tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I'll keep you posted. Peace.